Tēnā koutou katoa, ko Jessica Hansell tōku ingoa, me Coco Solid rānei, ko Ngāpuhi tōku iwi, ko Mokunui a rangi tōku marae, ko Utukura te awa, ko whakarongoarua te maunga no Hāmoa me Tiamani hoki tōku papa, no tai tōkoro tōku mama. Kia ora, Coco Solid, we're here at the OMAC Village Studios for Matariki Music I Te Ara Hou. Matariki for me as a Māori artist is something interesting for the fact that New Year's, January 1st, I don't really feel a sense of renewal. To me, it's not a concept, it's something that's very real in terms of how it affects my life. Everything for me usually ends up feeling new, things start changing, the plants in the sky start shifting, people's temperaments start moving, projects end, projects kick off. To me it's a no-brainer. New Zealand should embrace Matariki because not only is it the Māori New Year, it's just a great time to kind of look at who we are, how we see things, how we navigate things like different cultures and what they honour, what they respect. There's the whole conversation that any art that a Māori person makes is Māori art, you know, and I do sort of subscribe to that. For myself, it just so happens that a lot of the art I make also is overtly and visibly influenced by my cultural story. Representation matters to me. When I was growing up, I would always fiendishly clutch anybody who resembled my cultural narrative, and so I know how important it is for me to put our belief systems, our politics, our kind of general holistic interests out into the world, because it loops back, it feeds back into you. People give you a response, people give you support, but most importantly people give you, solidarity. My wish for Māori music and Māori artistry in general is that the spectrum of what constitutes a Māori artist is honoured a bit more, and that people who are outside of, I think, the Pākehā perception of what a good, well-behaved Māori performative artist is, who sticks within the lane of their perceptions of Māoridom. I feel like it's important that we honour that. Not everyone fits into this idea. We are able to call each other Māori artists, but we are not confined or, trapped by that either. That we kind of are able to use that as a shield, but it's not an avatar, It's we are of that, but that's not all we are.